Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Furnulem Night Stand, a tall and versatile bedside table perfect for your bedroom, hallway, or office. This multifunctional piece combines a 4-tier shelf design with 3 fabric drawers, offering ample storage for everything from books and ornaments to personal items and remote controls. Equipped with 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, this nightstand ensures your devices are always charged and ready to go, thanks to its convenient 6.5-foot power cord. The space-saving design cleverly utilizes vertical space, making it ideal for smaller rooms without sacrificing storage capacity. Crafted from high-quality wood and a sturdy metal frame, this nightstand boasts adjustable feet for enhanced stability and floor protection. With easy assembly instructions and all necessary tools included, setting up your new nightstand is a breeze. If you have any questions or need assistance, the Furnulem team is ready to help, ensuring you enjoy a seamless experience with your new storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.